This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Put on gloves and a dust mask. Control dust by working over a tarp. Measure 100 grams of casting powder and 60 milliliters of water for a smooth mix. Pour water into the mixing cup first. This minimizes lumps, then add powder in a steady stream. Once added, fold with a wooden stirrer for about 30 seconds. Avoid whipping air in. You'll see a creamy consistency that indicates correct hydration and initial readiness. Once the mix looks creamy, continue with the more detailed execution. Mix with steady, deliberate strokes for another 30 to 45 seconds, scraping the cup sides to incorporate all powder. Make sure the consistency is pourable but not runny. A thick cream that slowly flows is ideal because it reduces shrinkage and improves detail. When ready, pour in a thin stream into the mold's lowest point and tap the mold gently to let air escape. This improves surface finish and reduces voids. Complete the job by managing cure, finishing, and a key troubleshooting tip. Allow the casting to set undisturbed for 20 to 60 minutes depending on temperature and mix ratio. Warmer speeds cure. Once firm, demold carefully and use a rasp or sandpaper to refine edges, then seal if the piece requires strength or moisture resistance. If you see small cracks or pinholes, make a paste with leftover powder and water and press into defects. It bonds well when applied before full drying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.